Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to ignore messages on Messenger 2022. As you open your Messenger app, you can observe that the ignore settings for messages was already gone. But I'll tell you how to do that. So what you have to do is just close your Messenger app and go on Google Chrome, search www.facebook.com and open your Facebook account. Once you're done with opening your Facebook account, click the message icon here, open the message that you want to ignore and tap on this icon in the upper right corner and select ignore messages. Refresh and done. Now if you're going to check your Messenger app, the person that we ignored was gone. But if you want to see it, just go to settings, click on message request, go to spam, and there you go. There is the person that we ignored. So that is how to ignore messages on Messenger in 2022. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.